In today's dynamic business landscape, efficiency and organization are no longer luxuries, they are necessities. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned project manager, or part of a large enterprise, having the right tools at your disposal can be the crucial difference between thriving and simply surviving. Enter Zoho, a comprehensive suite of cloud-based software applications designed to streamline operations, enhance collaboration, and ultimately drive business success. But what exactly is Zoho used for? That's the question many are asking, and the answer, while broad, is surprisingly straightforward. Think of Zoho as a digital Swiss Army knife for your business. It offers a vast array of interconnected applications that cater to virtually every aspect of running and growing an organization. From managing customer relationships to handling finances, from boosting marketing efforts to facilitating seamless team collaboration, Zoho provides a unified platform to manage it all. As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of integrated platforms like Zoho. The ability to connect various business functions eliminates silos, improves data flow, and provides a holistic view of operations. This not only enhances efficiency but also empowers better decision-making and fosters a more agile and responsive organization. Let's delve deeper into the key areas where Zoho shines and explore the specific applications that make it such a versatile and powerful tool. 1. Mastering customer relationships, Zoho CRM. At the heart of any successful business lies its customers. Zoho Customer Relationship Management (CRM) is a cornerstone of the Zoho ecosystem, designed to help businesses build, nurture, and retain strong customer relationships. It's more than just a contact database. It's a powerful engine for managing the entire customer lifecycle, from initial lead generation to post-sales support. Sales automation. Zoho CRM automates repetitive sales tasks, allowing sales teams to focus on what they do best, selling. This includes lead management, opportunity tracking, deal closing, and sales forecasting. Imagine effortlessly tracking every interaction with a potential client, from the first email to the final contract, all within a centralized system. Marketing automation. Integrating seamlessly with Zoho Marketing Automation, the CRM helps businesses execute targeted marketing campaigns, nurture leads through personalized communication, and measure the effectiveness of their marketing efforts. This ensures that your marketing and sales teams are aligned, working towards common goals. Customer support. Zoho CRM also incorporates robust customer support features, enabling businesses to provide timely and efficient assistance through various channels like email, phone, and live chat. This ensures customer satisfaction and builds long-term loyalty. Analytics and reporting. Gain valuable insights into your sales performance, marketing campaign effectiveness, and customer behavior through comprehensive reports and dashboards. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions and optimize your strategies. For educational purposes, understanding Zoho CRM provides a practical illustration of how businesses manage their most valuable asset, their customers. It highlights the importance of a structured approach to customer interactions and the power of data in driving sales and fostering loyalty. 2. Project management simplified, Zoho projects. For anyone involved in managing tasks, deadlines, and teams, Zoho Projects is a game changer. This intuitive project management software provides a centralized platform to plan, track, and collaborate on projects of any size and complexity. Task management. Break down large projects into manageable tasks and subtasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. This ensures clarity and accountability within the team. Gantt charts and milestones. Visualize project timelines, dependencies, and critical paths with interactive Gantt charts. Set milestones to track key achievements and ensure the project stays on schedule. This visual representation is invaluable for understanding the project's overall trajectory. Collaboration tools. Foster seamless communication and collaboration with built-in features like task-level discussions, file sharing, and project forums. This eliminates email clutter and keeps all project-related information in one easily accessible place. Time tracking and resource management. Accurately track the time spent on tasks, manage team workload, and identify potential bottlenecks. This ensures efficient resource allocation and helps in understanding project costs. Issue tracking. Effectively manage and resolve project-related issues and bugs with a dedicated issue tracking system. This ensures that problems are addressed promptly and don't derail the project. From an educational standpoint, Zoho Projects exemplifies the principles of effective project management. It showcases how breaking down complex tasks, assigning responsibilities, tracking progress, and fostering communication are crucial for successful project delivery. 3. Streamlining communication and collaboration. Zoho Workplace. In today's interconnected world, effective communication and collaboration are paramount. Zoho Workplace is a suite of productivity and collaboration tools designed to empower teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of their physical location. Zoho Mail, a secure and feature-rich email service with advanced spam filtering and organizational tools. Zoho Click, an instant messaging and collaboration platform for real-time communication, file sharing, and group discussions. Think of it as your internal communication hub. Zoho Connect, a social intranet platform for team collaboration, knowledge sharing, and building a strong company culture. Zoho Writer, Sheet, and Show, powerful online word processor, spreadsheet software, and presentation tools that rival traditional desktop applications, allowing for real-time collaboration on documents. Zoho WorkDrive, a secure cloud storage and file management solution for teams to store, share, and collaborate on files. For educational purposes, Zoho Workplace demonstrates the importance of integrated communication tools in fostering teamwork and productivity. It highlights how different communication channels can be leveraged for various purposes, from quick updates to in-depth discussions and collaborative document creation.